guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rajeshwari and I welcome you all to my today's video. So in today's video, as you might have read in the thumbnail, I am going to review a sunscreen which is by the company Nude. This is a brand and you may have seen this sunscreen going viral, and that's why I purchased this. I tested this for you and I am here and I'm going to put out my honest opinion, honest review of this product. I have been using this product since 1.5 months now, and when I say that this is a non-sponsored video, which means that this has not been paid or this is not a collaboration video. If this is going to be a collaboration video, I am going to definitely mention that. And when I say this is non-sponsored, I am just putting out my heart, putting out my very brutally honest opinion about a product, which means I have bought this with my own money and I am not going to see anything good. If this is going to be a good product, then I will definitely say this is a good product, and if this is not a good product, then I will definitely say that, because this is my own money. Okay. And one more thing, guys, you people are watching my videos and just going away, but I am a very small creator. What I need is just love from you guys, and what I mean by love is that everything is free for you. Just like, share, and subscribe. If you want me to make more of such content, more of this product review kind of a video where I'm review the products with my heart out, and if you want more of such content, because now you know everybody is doing paid collabs and all kind of, which I also do sometimes, but then I do mention and you will get to know if it is a paid collab. But this is going to be a very honest video, so I will not blabber much. Just shower some love so that I can, I get the encouragement, I get the motivation to continue in this line. Okay, so that is the thing. And I am going to make this video very short, very detailed, so that you get to know that is the money, is the product worth the hype or worth buying, or is it for you or not, or which people or which category of people can purchase this product. So without any further ado, let's just dig into the video. So let's talk about the packaging first. The packaging is so classy, so luxurious. This tube kind of packaging. This is a sturdy packaging. Okay. Also, the nozzle that is given over here is very sleek. Okay. The product will not leak out anyhow. This is 50 gram of the product and this retails for $6.99. Now this says that this is Nude SPF 50 UVA UVB PA plus ultra velvety matte sunscreen. They are also saying velvety and matte. This is water and sweat resistant dry touch. Okay, this says it has no greasiness, no white cast, which is true, because this is a sunscreen which will not give you any kind of greasiness or any kind of white cast. Now that is all the good things and all about the packaging and everything. Let's come to the product. Now let me show you the texture of this product. I have nothing on my face, like nothing, only the mascara is there and my lipstick. I have not even done my eyebrows. There is no this, nothing is there. Okay, on this side you can see how oily my skin looks, because I've done my skincare, that's it. And on this side I am putting out, you can see the texture of this sunscreen. This is a gel ointment kind of a texture. अगर आपने ointment लगाया होगा, बिल्कुल ointment kind of texture है. And बस इस साइड में मैं इसको अप्लाई करूंगी. Okay, let me bring you up close. Easily blend हो जाता है, and this is a texture which is like a velvety, not matte. It says matte but this is not at all matte. Like matte होता तो पूरा एक खिंचाव आपको फील होगा, जो मुझे लोटस tinted सनस्क्रीन के साथ फील होता है, but this is not matte. This is not oily. This is somewhere in between, if I can explain you, if you're getting my point. ये कुछ middle में है, like you will feel that you have applied something, there is some layer on your face, but this will not completely make your skin matte. Okay, you can see this side, this is so much oilier, and you can see that it has reduced the oiliness to some extent, but पूरा नहीं. ठीक है, you can see. इसका अच्छा बात ये है कि ये pores को पूरा shrink कर देता है, ये pores को पूरा close कर देता है. So this, alongside being a sunscreen, you can also use this under your makeup, because this is going to act like a primer, जिसका formula texture बिल्कुल primer जैसा है, जैसे makeup के अंडर में हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं, बिल्कुल primer जैसा है. So this is also going to be a twin-in-one product, because you are getting a primer and a sunscreen. Now these are all the good things: no white cast, no greasiness, no nothing. During the summers, if you are a combination or oily skin people, I will say you to stay away. Why? Because ये एक चीज करता है, क्योंकि इसका टेक्सचर वेलवेटी है, तो ये हेवी हो जाता है थोड़ा सा फेस पे. नॉट लाइक टू हेवी. ओके, जैसे आप कोई ऑयली या क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट लगा रहे हैं, वैसा वाला हेवी नहीं. हेवी इन द सेंस कि आपका एक ऊपर लेयर फॉर्म हो जाता है, तो इसके अंदर आपका जो स्वेट आता है, लाइक यू कैन सी दिस साइड शाइनी कम है, दिस साइड पूरा शाइनी है. You can see the difference on this side and this side in front of you guys. So what happens is that जब आपका sweat अंदर से टीप नहीं कर पाता, जब स्वेट आपका बाहर नहीं आ पाता है, तो पोर्स क्लॉग हो जाता है. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन योर पोर्स गेट क्लॉग्ड, यू गेट white heads, you get black heads, you get bumps, you get pimples, and that what happened to me, because I was using this since 1.5 months so that I can review, and I was using this on a daily basis, and that's what I did wrong. Because if you are using this daily, and that too in the summer season in West Bengal, I got like very bad and like bumps, and my skin behaving in such a um, bad way कि जब मेरा स्किन वैसा बिहेव नॉर्मली नहीं करता, बिकॉज आई डू सो मच स्किन केयर. आई एम नॉट गोना लाई दैट आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग फॉर माय स्किन. आई डू अ प्रॉपर एवरीडे बेसिस स्किन केयर. उसके बाद भी मेरा स्किन इतना वर्स्ट बिहेव कर रहा था, पूरा पोर्स मेरा क्लॉग हो गया था, बहुत ही ज्यादा छोटे बम्स हो गए थे पूरा फेस के ऊपर. सो दिस इज नॉट फॉर डेली बेसिस. इफ यू आर डूइंग अ मेकअप, if you're a makeup person, if you're wearing makeup on a daily basis, then go for it. If you're dry skin people, then go for it. But if you're oily and combination and somewhere in between, don't use this on a daily basis. Use this for some special occasions, for days when you're doing your makeup. Use for that day, because you are going to get 2-in-1 product, that is primer and sunscreen under this. Sunscreen बहुत बढ़िया है. ओके टैन उतना ज्यादा टैन नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि मैं इसको अप्लाई करके बाहर जाती हूँ, टैन का प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. एंड स्किन को ऐसा कर देते हैं, इसके ऊपर जब आप मेकअप अप्लाई करते हो बहुत ही स्मूथ बना देता है, क्योंकि ये वेलवेटी टेक्सचर मेकअप बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. आपको अलग से कोई मॉइस्चराइजर कुछ प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करना नहीं पड़ता है. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. नाउ वन मोर con is that this is not in vivo tested. Now what is in vivo? In vivo is something which I have recently learned. Like my Dot & Key watermelon sunscreen is in vivo tested. My Lakme sunscreen, not Lakme, Lotus sunscreen is in vivo tested. Okay, my Wishcare sunscreen is in vivo tested, but this is not in vivo tested. Nowhere in the packaging it is written that this is in vivo tested. In vivo means when the product is actually tested on a real human being, rather than on some labs, on some fake patches or something else, or under the light. In vivo means when it is really tested on human beings. This product is not really tested on human beings. Before I could not really differentiate between sunscreens, but now that I know these things, I can say that ये वाला मुझे नहीं पता कि इसमें actually SPF 50 है कि नहीं. But this helps a lot with the tanning and all. Like मेकअप के लिए, मेकअप के अंदर बेस के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बढ़िया होगा. That I said, no greasiness, no oiliness. Dry skin people definitely use this. Oily combination skin people don't use this on a daily basis. You can go for this during the winters, but not in the monsoon, because monsoon में skin और ज्यादा clogged, और ज्यादा समर से भी घटिया हो जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा पैची टैकी हो जाता है. So please stay away during the monsoon. That is all I'm going to say about this, and this retails for $6.99. So that is all about this product. एंड इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी इसका जो है वो सही है, सब कुछ सही है. UVA UVB है, एवरीथिंग इज गुड. Just like what I said, keep those things in mind. That is all for today's video. I wanted to keep my videos very like focused, very short, very detailed, so that you get to know whether you should purchase this sunscreen or not. Otherwise, what more you want in a sunscreen? इससे ज़्यादा आपको और क्या पता करना होगा एक सनस्क्रीन के बारे में? That's all you need to know. Okay, so if you like this kind of videos, short detailed kind of videos of mine, then I will make more such videos. But please give me the encouragement, give me the motivation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. So bye, see you in my next video.